Welcome to yet another Microsoft Word tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to insert different page numbers in the different sections of your thesis or report. And to help us in this, I have a sample report here that I'll be showing you how you can go about this. In my report, I have two introductory pages. So I have this first page and I also have this second page. So the first page is like the cover page and the second page has the table of contents, and then now my report now starts from here. This is like my chapter 1. So what you need to do to get started is to first of all enable the show or hide paragraph marks, and to do that just go to the home tab and then you click the paragraph mark or the show or hide paragraph mark. So just click that, and upon clicking that you'll notice that there will be these symbols that will appear in your document. So the next thing that you now want to do is to insert the sections. And to insert the sections, you need to know where a section should start and where the next one should end. So in my sample report here, I have two introductory pages. So that is this one and this one. So I want my first section to end at this point and the other section to start on this page, so that the first two pages in this case are numbered using Roman numbers, and from this page I should have the normal numbers or the Arabic numbers. So to insert the section break, what you need to do, again, leave your cursor where the session should end, and then you go to the layout tab, and then you now want to click the drop down next to the breaks option, and then under the available options come and click next page. So this will insert a section break and start the new section on the next page, and that is exactly what you want to do. So just click on that option and you should now see this sentence that reads section break next page. So we are now done with the paragraph symbols. So they were just to help us see that we have actually inserted a section break. Now we can just go back to home and disable that. So now after doing that, the next thing that you want to do is now to insert the page numbers. But you find in most cases when you insert a section break, it might insert a blank page. Let me just show you how you can insert how you can delete a blank page, just in case you insert it accidentally. So to delete a page break, all you need to do is to go to the home tab and then you click the paragraph symbol here, and then you notice this symbol that will appear here. Just try to highlight that and try to delete it. So that will help you to delete that blank page that maybe you don't want in your document. So after that, you can just come and disable that, and that will remove those symbols. So now we want now to insert the page numbers, and all I need to do is to go to the insert tab, and then under the header and footer group I come and click the drop down next to the page number. So this is because I want to select where the page number should be inserted. So you can insert your page number on top of the page, at the bottom, the page margin, or wherever. So in my case I want it at the bottom and at the center. So just click that, and then now you'll notice that there will be this number here, this one, and when I go up here I should see this one being number 1, this one being number 2, this one being number 1, number 2, like that. So all I need now to do is to change the number format or the format of the numbers in the introductory pages. So I want this to be a Roman number, and I also want this to be a Roman number, but now I want this to remain as it is, Arabic number. So to go about that, all I need to do is to just come and highlight that number, and then I need to go to the insert tab, and then under that I come and click the page number, and then I come and click format page number. So you now see this window. So now from this window you're going to see number format. All you need now to do is to come and click the drop down here and change to the Roman numbers that you want. So just click on that, and then here you can also come and select or choose from where the Roman numbers should start. Should they start from Roman number 2 or should they start Roman number 1? So you can just select that. In my case, let me just go with 2, and then I just say okay. So you're going now to notice that will be Roman number 1, and this is Roman number 2, and this is now number 1, and number 2, number 3, and so on and so forth. So that's how you can insert different page numbers in the different sections of your thesis or report. Another addition tip is that you may want to remove the page number in the first page, maybe because it is the cover page and maybe you don't want it to have the page number. So all you can do, or what you're supposed to do, is to go to the design, and then under the options just come and check this checkbox. So that will automatically remove that Roman number, and because we have selected that the Roman numbers should start at 2, you're going to see this starting at Roman number 2. So now the rest should be number 1, number 2, number 3, like that. That's how you can be able to insert different page numbers in the different sections of your document. Remember, the first thing that you need to do is to insert the section breaks. You need to know where the section should start and where it should end. And then after that, under the layout, you can now insert the section breaks. After inserting the section breaks, you can now insert the page numbers under the insert tab. Then after that, you can now change the number format of the first introductory pages. That's it. Thanks for watching my video up to the end. Kindly consider subscribing if you like my work. Thank you.